all the animals that we have and all the creatures that we have in Ontario are keyed to our native species. They're not keyed to the cultivars, which don't have any nectar in them and don't have any seeds for wildlife. So, and all these native species do have that. And it's really quite interesting, because when you're planting, like when I'm planting a wetland plant in a wetland, you put the plant in the ground, and as you're planting along, you'll notice behind you dragonflies are landing on those species, on those plants as you're planting them, and they're just so keyed. They find them right away. And it's like, I'm in the middle of Toronto, where are these dragonflies coming from? And then this one over here that's nice and fluffy is a goldenrod species, stiff goldenrod. And here we have cut plant seed, which is a nice big seed, and the birds, they really like that. So the birds are keyed to eating those in the fall. And what I'm going to do is show you how to seed some plants yourself. So I've got my handy pot, and we'll just scoop up a bit of soil here, and then we'll just press it down really well to get rid of any air pockets. And then what I've got here is some butterfly milkweed seed. And so when you're seeding this, you want to seed it just lightly. So you want them to be spaced nicely apart when you put them into a tray. So that's basically what I'm going to do here. In my pot, we're just gradually putting them in, not too much. And this isn't for seeding individually, this is for seeding if you want to have more plants, and then you can divide them later. So then we just press them down. And what I've got here is vermiculite. And so vermiculate's nice because it absorbs water and holds water onto your seed, and it's also translucent, so it actually lets the light through. So we put a layer on there, and usually the rule is the thickness of the seed, and you multiply that by 2, and that gives you the right depth for planting. So when you're dealing with different species, you have something like with a big seed, so you're planting that a little deeper. Something like a goldenrod or the wild bergamot is a little finer seed, so you're not planting that very deeply at all.